Come, come. Everything is cheap, nothing new, but everything works. TV, shoes, toys, suits, games, all for a good price. Don't miss it. Hey man, good afternoon. You sell secondhand stuff, right? Of course, my friend. Only secondhand, but good condition, good price. Everything you see, I got it from people who didn't need it anymore. Some even from offices that are closed. They are good quality products. Some of them were used by wealthy people. You can take a look. Hmm, interesting. Hey, that TV over there, it looks old. Does it still work? This one? Oh, yes, brother. It works perfectly. You'll see. That's a 32-inch plasma TV, Samsung, from 2010. It's old, yes, but it works very well. The image is good, great colors. HDMI port works. Remote control? Yes, included, plus extra batteries. Hmm, interesting. And how much does it cost? I suppose not much. Look, this TV, new, costs 200 or $300. But for you, because you seem to be a smart guy, just give me $60. Come on, man. 60. It's from 2010. I can't give you 60 for that TV. Yes, but it's Korean quality, not like the new plastic stuff today. I'll tell you something. You take this home, plug it in, boom, TV time. I can even show you it works. Here, portable battery. It's a great offer. Okay. Let me think. What about that suit? That black one? Oh, that's a real suit, my friend. Fine wool. Italian brand. Very elegant. Look, feel it. It's a very elegant suit. You'll love it. Yeah, it looks nice. Looks like an important man. Oh, you're right. It belonged to a lawyer. He lost weight, gave it to me. Still fresh. Only used twice, I think. No holes, no stains. It's perfect. Maybe. I think I like it. I can use it for work. How much? Well, this suit costs like $500 or $600 new. But for you only $25. Dry cleaned, ready to wear. That's cheap. And that PlayStation, are you selling it? Yes, of course. PlayStation 3. But what about the suit? I have to think about it first. But PlayStation 3 looks like the 5. It's a new design. I could lie to you, but I am very honest. It is the PS3. Classic, brother. Retro. For the real gamer. Real men love to play with that. It comes with 2 controllers and 3 games. The best games. FIFA 2014, Grand Theft Auto IV, and Call of Duty. Wow, I used to play those games many years ago. I'd love to play those again, but this time with my children. How much? Well, we're talking about the PS3, bro. You know, these things are not cheap. Hmm, just tell me. Oh, but first, does it work? How can you ask that? I tested it last night. Works perfectly. Seriously. Good for kids, good for adults. It's not PS5, but it's still fun. Yeah, I see. But you haven't told me the price. How much is it? Well, this amazing game console with games and controllers, 70. $70? Too much. I can give you $50. That's all. $50? Come on, bro. The controllers alone are worth 30. Let's do 60. Final offer. You won't find it cheaper anywhere. Okay. I'll think. And those shoes, they look good. Leather shoes, real leather, black, beautiful, made in Brazil, cleaned and polished, size 43. I think that's your size. Lucky you. You're right. That's my size. And it looks great. How much? Perfect. Just $15. They are in excellent condition. Come on. Okay, that's a fair price. Oh, and those toys over there? I like them. For your kids? Take them. Only $1 each. Very cheap. Some are McDonald's toys, others from Disney. They are in good condition. I'll take 5 of them. And the shoes. And the TV for 50. Yes? Is that okay? Okay. Take the shoes, 5 toys, and the TV for 50. Deal? Deal. Let me get my wallet, but I will pick them up later. In 5 minutes. Don't worry, I will be here all day. Great. First sale. Hey there. You sell second-hand things. I'm looking for something. Yes, sir. Welcome to Carlos Street Shop. What do you need today? We got electronics, clothes, kitchen items, even an old guitar. I lost my umbrella yesterday. Do you have one? I need one. Yes, this one here, a little used, but strong. Still opens well. $3. Nice. What else you got? I see you have a lot of things in your store. Maybe you want a toaster, a radio? I also have a kettle. Good for tea. No, I'm okay. Listen, do you have any used phones? Mine got stolen yesterday. Phones? Um, okay, listen. I do have a phone, good condition, but I don't show it here. People will think I sell stone phones. I had problems before. I understand, but can you tell me about it? I need a new cell phone. Yes, it's a Samsung Galaxy A21s, 128 gigabytes, black. The screen is perfect. The battery is strong. I reset it to factory settings. It's clean. No password. I sell it for $90. What do you say? Do you want it? That's a good price. All right. Does it come with the charger? Charger, yes. No headphones. Just the phone and charger. Okay, I'm interested. But I need to see it. Can you show it to me? Not here. People look. Police look. I already had problems. But I promise it's good. I need a phone. Okay, here's 90. Give it to me. Wait a second. This is my phone. Look, I put this small red sticker on the side. And my daughter's photo is here in the gallery. It's my phone. Whoa, man. I don't know anything about that. Sorry about that. You said it was secondhand. You said it was clean. I want my money back. Hey, calm down. I just sell what people bring me. I didn't know it was yours. Sorry, sir. No returns. This is a street shop, not a shopping mall. This is robbery. It is my phone. So give me my money back. No. You said you needed a phone. Now you have one. You're lucky. You got your phone back. Have a nice day. No, give me my money. I will call the police. I will call now. On that phone? Go ahead. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.